Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. Guys, in this video we will be discussing about TCS NQT. So if you are not aware, the admit cards of TCS NQT are released now and there is some important updates that you need to know. We will be discussing everything in this video, okay, in detailed manner, like what are the examination details, when you can expect your admit cards, some mistakes that you have to avoid while appearing for your exams, and some things which you need to carry when you are going to attempt your exams in your own centers. So before we start the video, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel as I regularly post these kinds of helpful videos for all of you, and very soon I'm going to post videos related to your actual TCS NQT questions. Okay, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel and check this playlist regularly, that is TCS NQT on my channel, as very soon the videos are going to come where I will be discussing actual questions that will be asked in TCS NQT. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, and let's see the important updates. So see guys, this is your admit card, how it will look like, and in this one basic details will be mentioned: your registration number, your name, date of birth, your venue of the examination. Basically exams are happening in ion centers. Okay, so you have to go to that center and then you can appear for your exams. You also have to paste your photograph here, and then signature and all is mentioned, and your date of the test will be mentioned. Okay, then these are the some instructions that you have to follow. We will be seeing all the important instructions one by one. Okay, and this is your basic admit card. Basically, let's see some of the exam details that are important. So guys, as you know, the NQT registrations were open from last 2 weeks only, right? So those who have registered early, they have got the admit cards as of now. So if you have also registered within first 2-3 days of the registration opening date, then you will get your admit card also very soon. Okay, now your reporting time in this like in this case, the one which that we have seen right now, it is mentioned as 7:30. Gate closing time is 8:30 and examination duration is 9 to 12:10 p.m. So see guys, I would highly suggest that you reach the exam before reporting time only. Okay, examination center. Don't delay or don't think that we will reach on the last moment, because if you are in a panic mode while giving the exam, then you can't give it with proper attention, right? So you have to be with as much as relaxed mind. Okay, reach on time. Okay, and don't wait for like last moment things or something. Reach at the exact time. Okay, now exam center. So see guys, candidates from Delhi have received the venue for TCS Ion Digital Centers, but we also know that in the notification itself, TCS has mentioned that the exams will be happening in the Ion centers. Okay, so you all have to go to Ion centers, and guys, in Ion centers, there will not be any possibility of any malpractices, because you can't take your mobile phones or you can't have anything along with you. They won't allow you. They will ask you to keep everything outside only. So make sure that you prepare very well, because this time there is no chances of any malpractices. You have to be very sincere with your preparations. Okay, now what things that you need to carry to the exam center while appearing for your TCS NQT? First thing is you have to get your printed admit card. Okay, make sure that the barcode is clear. Okay, which barcode I am talking about? Let me show you. This is the barcode that I am talking about. Okay, so your barcode should be clear on your admit card. Okay, so next point is government issued photo ID. You should have it. Okay, what in your photo ID you can take? Either you can take your Aadhaar card, your passport, voter ID, PAN card, driving license, anything you can take. Okay, no digital copies allowed, guys. See, because sometimes if it is a very rare case, then Ion people allows that you can take your digital copies, but I would strictly tell you that please take your actual IDs. Okay, don't take any soft copies or anything. Okay, sometimes even like copies or photocopies also doesn't work. You need to have like actual IDs. Okay, that is your Aadhaar card or anything. Aadhaar card is the best option. If you have Aadhaar card, take that and it will be more than enough. Okay, then you should have your recent passport size photograph. Okay, as I told you, on the this one admit card only you have to stick it, and try to have the same passport photograph. Okay, you should not have only one which you stick on the admit card. You should have 1 or 2 spare also along with you. And these documents are mandatory, because we have seen a lot of times candidates reach the exam venue, and then because of 1 or 2 documents missing, they they don't get the entry in the examination center. So guys, if you have prepared really well and then you don't want this and things to happen, please make a note that you carry all these things. Okay, let's see for a few of the important instructions that are mentioned here also. See, copy of admit card, which we have already discussed. Original government issued photo ID, I have already told you. Report to the test center before the gate closure time, otherwise you will not be admitted. And prohibited items, you should not have any personal items including jewelry, bags, mobile phones, or any other electronic gadgets also are not allowed. If you take also, you have to remove it and keep it in your bags and keep it outside the center. And you should not try to have any unfair means, because I told you it will be very strictly proctoring. 4 to 5 invigilators will be there in the examination halls. Okay. And request for change of test centers is also not allowed. So whatever test center you have got, you have to appear for your examination from that test center only. Friends and relatives accompanying the candidates will not be allowed inside the test center. They can wait for you outside the test center or around that area, but they won't be given or permitted inside the campus. Okay. So you will not be permitted to appear for the exam if you fail to carry the admit card, photo, and mandatory government issued photo identity card. So guys, I hope now the instructions are very careful, because clearly, and you will be very careful about your instructions, because these are very important. Because it does not matter if you have prepared well, if you are missing these important instructions, you might not get the entry in your exams. So that's all for this video. If you have any more doubts, let me know in the comment section. Okay, you can join me on Telegram and Instagram as well, and make sure to subscribe to the channel, because a lot more helpful videos are coming for TCS NQT, guys. So make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss on any of the important updates. Thanks for watching the video, and I will see you next video.